Let's make delicious, easy fried rice recipe. This one is beef fried rice. You can do shrimp, chicken, or pork. The choice is yours. Simply cook the beef tenderloin in butter and olive oil on high heat. Don't forget to add salt and pepper. Cook the beef in batches. When you're done, remove from the heat. You're gonna add 2 more tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add half a cup of chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic. Make sure not to chop the garlic very finely. You don't want it to burn. Cook for a minute or two. Slide to one side. You're gonna add 3 scrambled eggs, just like so. I don't season the eggs at this point. I'm gonna season at the end, adjust the seasoning. I'm not gonna mess with the eggs too much. I let it cook on high heat. It's gonna take a minute. When you're done, you're gonna add the cooked rice. And this is some leftover rice. It's been in the fridge for 2 days. You don't wanna cook it too much. You don't want it to be too soft. I'll leave more instructions in the description box below on how to cook the rice. These are 3 cups I added on top of the eggs and onions. We're cooking on high heat. We just want to reheat the rice all the way through and mix in with the eggs gently. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. If you don't have rice wine vinegar, you can simply add chicken stock or beef stock or even water. Now I add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and just a pinch of sugar to help with the caramelization. At this point, you can taste and see if it needs more salt. You can add salt and a touch of black pepper. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. You can skip this point if you don't like it spicy. And a handful of spring onions. And I'm gonna turn the heat off. Put back the beef tenderloin and serve immediately. This is an easy, budget-friendly meal that you can serve on its own or with a protein. You can change it up, add maybe some carrots, bean sprouts, or whatever you like. Make sure to shred finely. Serve with some sweet honey sauce or soy sauce and enjoy. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and look for the ingredients in the description box below.